Yes, guys, look at that. Welcome back. And can you guess the video that we're doing today? So let me just get right into the ingredients. So we have our sugar, some cinnamon powder, and our salt there, and our apples. Tell them, chef, what we're doing today.
Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna get right into the peeling and just watch what I go on and take in the video.
Yes, guys.
I make a guess before me even mention what we are doing today, but anyway, I'm going to peel the apple there. You can use a peeler or you can use a knife, but I suggest a peeler because it removes only the skin.
And it helps to save the apples, guys.
And the reason for removing the skin, tell them Chef Alexander.
So that it don't chewy, guys. You feel me? Yes. You get a nice apple that you want without all that extra chew.
Alright guys, so on the guess now. Alright, so today we are make a apple pie.
Yes, guys.
So I'm soon show you the type of crust we are use. There is a short crust, but we'll shape it in a different form what we might not used to. But Jamaicans used to that shape. So we'll soon
yes,
get
guys,
to that.
and you can give it a try just the same. You can give the crust a try next time you have, you know.
Everybody's supposed to know to make short crust, but if you don't want to see us doing that shape and all of that, comment it down below.
Yes.
And you'll definitely. Catch a drift, I will catch on the back when we saute this soon forward. Yes guys, so now we're gonna add the apple.
Yes, guys, look at that. Beautiful, right?
Some sugar, cinnamon and salt. Now we're gonna give this a stir.
Yes, guys, everything all mixed in properly, right? Beautiful.
Now we're gonna add some white wine to bevel the pot.
Lovely, guys. This cinnamony aroma is so amazing. It's a perfume for the kitchen. Yes, guys.
Look at that coming together nicely. Can you imagine the flavor, the cinnamon, the sugar, the salt, and the white wine?
Aroma, guys, it's so lovely. So we're going to allow this to
on the Instagram and we'll definitely give you a repost, guys.
Yes. So guys, I know that you see what's going on, so we're gonna catch you guys again when we're putting these in the oven so forward. Yes, guys. Ooh, fire heat hot, guys. So we're going to place this in the oven for, tell them, chef,
15 to 20 minutes
at an oven temperature
at 205 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
So set your timers, don't go nowhere, soon forward.
Soon forward.
Yes, guys, look at that, beautiful, right? These are finished, and it's finished within the 15 minutes mark, guys. So we're going to allow these to cool down, and then we get on with the plating so forward.
Yes, guys, I'm gonna see the plate and I know what time it is, don't it? Right there.
Look at that. Just take a moment to admire that. Beautiful, right? Lovely. Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Beautiful.
So until next time,
bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?